Have you ever dreamed of crafting something that not only dazzles the eye but is also incredibly easy to make? Today I'm taking simple resin and turning it into breathtaking dragon's eye coasters with a magical butterfly surprise. These fabulous pink and gold gems look like they took ages to create, but I've got a little secret trick that anyone can totally nail. Hang tight to watch these enchanting coasters spring to life. Your pals will be absolutely amazed that you whipped them up all by yourself. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie and I'm so thrilled to meet you. If you're returning, welcome back to the joy. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of dragon's eye coasters, those gorgeous creations with hypnotic rings that seem to pull you in. I'm using these adorable 4.5-inch silicone molds, and we're going for a dreamy pink and gold color combo that's absolutely to die for. The best part? We're adding a little butterfly surprise in the center for that extra wow factor. I'm using Let's Resin Epoxy today. It's become my go-to for projects like this because it gives us plenty of working time for all our beautiful details. First, I'm carefully dusting the pink mica around the outer edge of my coaster mold. Look at that beautiful shimmer. This is going to create our dramatic outer ring. Next, I'm adding the gold right in the center. This is what gives us that magical dragon's eye effect. Then comes my secret weapon, a touch of orange right in the very center that's going to make everything pop and create this amazing transition between colors. Now for the moment of truth. I'm pouring my clear resin right into the center of the mold. Watch how it pushes outward and creates these incredible organic patterns. The resin is doing all the hard work for us, blending the colors and creating those hypnotic rings that make dragon's eye coasters so special. Now I'll let this beauty cure and work its magic. The anticipation is killing me already. Big announcement! Your crafting calendar just got a major upgrade. Catch brand new tutorials every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. But wait, there's more! For a limited time, I'm offering free shipping on all orders through my eBay store. Yes, that includes international shipping too. Head to my eBay store, link in description, to grab your favorite crafting supplies without paying a penny for shipping. Don't miss this opportunity to stock up and save. It's the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating. Time to unleash these beauties and discover if our dragon's eye magic did its thing. Oh my goodness, look at that! These turned out absolutely breathtaking. The way the crystal clear resin dances to create those fabulous, feathery lines, shooting out like magic, is what makes a dragon's eye utterly enchanting. Check out how the resin bursts through the mica powders, crafting those stunning crackle patterns that resemble veins or electrifying lightning bolts spreading from the heart. That's the signature style we're totally vibing with. I'm honestly blown away that this is my first try at this technique. The way the pink, orange, and gold colors swirl together with those captivating fracture lines is pure enchantment. It totally looks like the mesmerizing iris of a fabulous mythical dragon's eye. Now, let's jazz up these stunning coasters with our fabulous butterfly touches. I've stumbled upon a nifty little trick during my resin adventures that I just have to share. Trying to peel those adorable, tiny butterfly stickers off their backing can be a real nail biter. They either tear like a drama queen, or play hard to get. But hold on to your hats. Check this out. I'm using a super handy piece of tape to magically lift the sticker right off its plastic backing. Boom! Now it's so much easier to dance it into place right in the heart of our dragon's eye. Isn't that just the bee's knees? It's a total game changer for juggling those delicate embellishments. The butterflies are dancing through this enchanting whirl of sparkling patterns, just like the dreamy effect I was aiming for. This project is a shimmering reminder that often the simplest tricks can lead to the most dazzling outcomes. I want to send a gigantic thank you, filled with joy, to all my amazing subscribers, and give a warm and cheerful welcome to everyone new here. I pour my heart into creating fun and exciting content, everything from delightful resin art to creative craft tutorials. Your incredible support is what lights up this channel, and I'm absolutely thrilled for each and every one of you. If you're loving what you see, hey! You haven't jumped on the subscription train yet? Come on! Hit that magical subscribe button. It's totally free, and your support makes my days sparkle like crazy. Dropping a like on the videos is like sending a virtual high five to YouTube, so they can spread the joy to even more awesome folks who might vibe with the fun. I adore diving into your bright and cheerful comments, so don't hold back. Thank you for being here. You're an absolute superstar and mean the universe to me. Quick tip that's saved me countless headaches. These tiny levels from little-windows.com are absolute game changers. I place them right on my coasters before adding the top coat to ensure everything's perfectly level. No more resin running over edges or pooling on one side. Seriously, these little tools are inexpensive but absolutely essential for professional-looking results. Grab some for your crafting arsenal, you'll thank me later. And now for the finishing touch that's going to take these coasters from beautiful to absolutely breathtaking. I'm using Let's Resin Epoxy again for our top coat, but with a special twist, I'm adding just a sprinkle of crushed crystal to give these babies some serious sparkle. This thin layer not only protects our design and gives it that glass-like finish, but the tiny crystal fragments will catch the light and make these coasters truly mesmerizing. The beauty of this project is that what you see is what you get, no mysterious waiting game for a dramatic reveal. Our dragon's eye coasters with their intricate feathery patterns and delicate butterfly centers are already showcasing their full glory. All that's left is to let them cure completely so they're ready to protect your surfaces in style. If you enjoyed creating with me today, please hit that subscribe button and join our crafting family. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a new project. Drop a comment below telling me what colors you'd use for your dragon's eye coasters. I love seeing your creative ideas. Until next time, happy crafting in your own happy place. This is Connie signing off.